Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. If you're looking for an uptrend, hey Clay, I need to find an uptrend for this textbook I'm putting together, I'd say, hey, check this one out. I mean, if this right here is not an uptrend, then I don't know what an uptrend is. So at the end of the day, you just really want to, kind of the moral of the story on this one is, you just want to see history continue to repeat itself. What kind of history? Put in higher highs and higher lows. And on that note, I'm going to go ahead and just use this line for a little bit, kind of near where the price is. Sure, this line still down here still pertains, but from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion. So I'll just use this line up here so we can try to keep this as clean as possible. One of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level going forward, and we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest would be if the price can stay up above $1.33. I should say continue to stay, and I use continue very deliberately because if you're paying attention, I'm sure you realize that on several occasions today, the bears try to push down through $1.33, but each and every time it held strong just the way you'd like to see it. So yeah, $1.33 definitely that best case in terms of supports. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $1.33, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above it, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of it all and really kind of just simplifying things, applying the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid. So if you're somebody that just cares about the big viewpoint and wants a very straightforward way to gauge the strength of the current price movement, just keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So again, from a very straightforward point of view, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line moves higher, then the bulls are in 100% health, 100% control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, from a resistance point of view, key battleground right up there at the $1.40 mark. You could probably even argue, and I'm going to make that adjustment. I'm going to call it $1.38 just because it bounced off $1.38, many more times than it did off $1.39. But I mean, think about it. We're talking about 1 penny. So if you want to call it $1.39, if that floats your boat more, then hey, go for it. All in all, though, point being, as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, the uptrend is only going to continue to look that much better. So nice start to the week. We'll see what the rest of this week has to offer. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.